For years, we've thought of voice AI as just a helpful assistant, right? Something that answers calls, maybe reads from a script. But what if it's becoming something so much more? I'm talking about a true digital employee, basically a new member of your team. The evolution of voice AI in just the last couple of years has been faster than the entire decade before it. So today, we're going to break down exactly what this incredible leap means for your business. All right, here's what's on deck. We'll kick things off with voice AI's next big evolution. Then we'll get into what this new digital employee really is. After that, we'll see how it builds real relationships and even becomes a strategic partner. And finally, we'll talk about how the future is, well, it's already here. So, let's get right into it. Voice AI's next evolution. It's really moving from a simple tool to a business imperative. And you might be asking, why should I care right now? Well, it's because voice AI isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. It's becoming a core business asset. Honestly, the companies that get this shift are the ones who are going to adapt faster, build smarter, and really set themselves up for the future. So let me ask you this. Is your current voice AI just an assistant? Does it just answer questions and then wait for you to tell it what to do next? Because that whole model is changing. We're talking about a massive shift from a reactive assistant to a truly proactive team member. Okay, let's break this down, because the difference is huge. A current assistant, it answers calls, it follows scripts, it handles basic questions. But a future digital employee, it makes decisions, it completes tasks all on its own, and it takes proactive actions. See, an assistant just answers a question. A digital employee completes the entire task behind that question. It's the leap from simply reacting to proactively doing. And that brings us right to the heart of it, the new digital employee. We're moving from just giving instructions to seeing real initiative. And look, this is not just a smarter chatbot. This is an AI that actually understands the why behind a conversation and takes action, instead of just waiting for the next command. So let's get super clear on this definition. A digital employee is an AI that can make its own decisions, detect urgency, and take proactive steps based on context, not just a pre-written script. It's not about slightly better voice recognition, it's about genuine autonomy, acting on its own without waiting for a human to tell it what to do. Okay, check this out. Here's a perfect example. The AI says, "The customer missed 2 payments. I've already scheduled a reminder call." See? It didn't just flag a problem for someone else to deal with, it identified the issue and immediately took the next step, all by itself. That's the difference between just reporting a problem and actually solving it. And it gets even smarter. The AI can actually pick up on human emotion. It says, "This customer seems frustrated. I'm escalating to a human agent now." It hears that frustration in someone's voice and knows, okay, time to get a human involved. This is so crucial because it helps build trust and, let's be honest, it prevents those endless, infuriating automated loops we've all been stuck in. And don't think this is just for simple one-off tasks. No way. This AI can handle some seriously complex stuff. We're talking multi-step workflows, processes that involve documents, tricky booking logic, even automated compliance tasks. Because it integrates with your other systems, it can manage these integrated workflows from start to finish, all in the background. Okay, so when you have this level of intelligence, the next logical thing to change is the customer experience. And that's our next point. Building real relationships. This is where AI stops being just a functional tool and starts becoming a genuine relationship builder. Just imagine getting a call like this. The AI says, "Hi, John, I see you booked a service with us last month. Are you calling about your follow-up appointment or something else?" Right away, it feels different. The AI already knows who you are and why you might be calling because it's connected to your data. No more repetitive questions. It just anticipates your needs. This makes the whole thing feel personal and super efficient. And believe me, this is what customers are going to start expecting. Now, let's zoom out and look at the whole customer journey. It's a completely seamless omnichannel experience. So a customer might ask for pricing on your website chat. A moment later, the AI proactively calls them to continue the conversation. After the call, boom, a WhatsApp confirmation lands on their phone, and then an email with all the details follows up. It's one single unified conversation across every channel, all managed by the AI. The best part? The customer never ever has to repeat themselves. Okay, so we've established it's a productive employee and a great relationship builder, but its impact goes even deeper than that. This is where voice AI evolves into your new strategic partner, using AI for high-level business functions. We're talking about an asset that provides insights to drive your whole business forward.
Think about it. For the longest time, analytics has been about looking in the rear-view mirror, right? It's all about what happened in the past. We'd get reports on call volume or customer satisfaction, data about what's already done. But what if analytics could actually help you look forward?
This is what that looks like. Instead of just a dashboard of numbers, the AI gives you a strategic recommendation. It says, based on recent calls, customers are confused about pricing. Consider updating your pricing page or adding a clearer explanation. See what happened there? It analyzed hundreds of conversations, found a key problem, and then suggested a concrete, actionable solution. That's the huge shift from passive reporting to active, strategic advice. And this strategic value just skyrockets when the AI is specialized for your specific industry. I mean, a generic AI is fine, but imagine one trained for healthcare that knows exactly how to handle patient intake and prescription reminders. Or for real estate, coordinating viewings and handling property inquiries. In home services, it could do instant booking and route technicians. In finance, it could help with applications. This level of specialization is an absolute game changer. All right, let's bring this all together. The key takeaway here is that the future is now. Seriously, this isn't some pie-in-the-sky prediction for 10 years down the road. The tech is here today, and the businesses that jump on this early are going to get a massive competitive edge. And the business case for this is just crystal clear. You get key advantages across the board. First, you lower your costs because the AI handles all that repetitive work. Second, you actually drive higher revenue through better, faster lead conversion. And third, you make way smarter decisions because you're getting these incredible AI-generated insights. It's a win-win-win. So what you're really building here is a future-ready foundation for your business. Think about it. Lower operational costs, a much better customer experience, higher revenue, a stronger brand identity, smarter decisions, and operations that can scale intelligently without just throwing more people at the problem. So it's really time we all shift our thinking. Voice AI is not a trend. It's a core business system. It's going to be just as fundamental to your operations as your CRM or your email platform is today. And that brings us to the final big question. The technology is here, it's smart, it's proactive, it's strategic, it is ready to get to work. The only real question left is your business ready for its next employee?